So recently I've gotten back into balsa wood model making. I did actually make a RC plane, but that didn't really go too well. The wings fell off while I was flying. So instead of like recreating that, I went back to my hobby shop and got two models. I got an 01 bird dog. A Guillow's 01 bird dog, and one of this, the Guillow Cessna 172. Okay, let's start this unboxing by opening the box. Take my razor blade. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, inside this box we've got the plans for the Cessna. I didn't really realize how big of a plane this was. I was looking at the box after I bought it. 36-inch wingspan. It's way bigger than I thought it would be. So we've got the plans in here. The instructions are a separate paper from the plans, not like the smaller models that they sell, like the L19 I did. The plans, they're always good. I'm not going to open it up right now because I don't want to fold it back. They're always good, as always. Guillow's, I like the company. That's pretty good. We got a decal sheet right here for the instruments and the tail numbers. Lots of tissue for covering this for the plane. Here's something neat. This is the molded plastic parts. The propeller right here, I am not going to be putting it on the plane. This is I'm actually going to make this plane RC. Here's the cockpit. Hey, this is actually really big. I'm not sure what these pieces are. I don't know. This is the first bigger kit I've got. Here's a big propeller. I think this is for the free flight. What you'd use for free flight, like the rubber bands and stuff like this. Here we've got some landing gear wire, I think. I gotta bend that later. I don't like doing that. Of course, all of the balsa wood that you'll need to make this thing. I think these are for the, it's probably for the struts. Whoa. We've got more of this wire. I have no idea what this is for. Humongous rubber band. Like I said, I'm not going to be using this. This is going to be an RC model. I'm going to be making it. The engine cowling. Okay, I'm going to need a big motor. What prop is that? What size is that prop? What size is that prop? What is this? This is probably like a 1010. Actually, I don't have a ruler in here. But yeah. Engine cowling right here. Some wheels, main wheels, nose gear, and I have no idea. Oh wait, is that eraser some weight? I think that might be weight for the thing. Some string, I guess. I don't know what that's for. And that little dowel, which I think is for the rubber band, but I'm not going to be using any of that. So yeah. That is the unboxing of the Guillow's Cessna 172. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back eventually when this plane gets built. That's probably going to take a while. Actually, I'll have a video out of the L19, or the 01 Bird Dog, just some flying of it. I didn't film any of that because I'm lazy. I also have another video recorded, which is a ground effect vehicle. That will be out shortly too, but yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.